A shot of the exterior of the boat on the River Shannon. Mark, the tour guide on the boat.
We had a hen party last year, and it was so tame and so quiet and so well-mannered.
A man sits inside a boat cabin near the steering wheel. The cabin windows show water and parts of another boat outside.
But they enjoyed it. And the next day we had an active retirement group. Oh my God, they were wild.
A wide river flows through green fields under a cloudy sky. Trees and bushes line the riverbanks.
Hi, I'm Mark.
A white boat named River Queen sails on a river. The boat has red fenders and a yellow life raft on the roof.
I'm the skipper of the River Queen. We provide cruises on the River Shannon from April right through to October for all types of groups.
A child wears a pirate hat with a skull and crossbones. 3 elderly women walk along a wooden dock beside a river. They wear casual jackets and sweaters.
We had a christening and a scattering of the ash.
People board a white boat named River Queen. A woman in a red and white dress stands on the dock.
School kids, active retirement groups, hen parties, and then everything in between.
3 champagne flutes contain a pale yellow drink with striped straws and tags reading Team Bride. The glasses stand on a dark surface with a blurred background.
So we've been offering tours on this for, I'd say well over 30 years.
Barbara sits in the boat.
I think it's just the freedom of it, or the tranquility of it as well.
2 elderly women sit inside a boat with large windows showing a blurred outdoor landscape. One woman wears a white vest and glasses resting on her chest, while the other wears a red top with a green vest.
It's like a secret hideaway for a day.
A person sits inside a boat looking out of a window. 2 boats float on a river outside.
We'd always say, I suppose, the River Shannon is the real hidden gem.
A stone arch bridge crosses a river with vehicles on it. Surrounding the river are green fields and a small village with houses and roads.
There's very nice rural towns and villages, of course, all along the river as well too.
Ruins of a medieval monastery sit beside a river. Surrounding fields and a small cluster of buildings border the site.
Getting there is the attraction on the River Queen and on the Shannon.
A man gestures with his hands while sitting inside a boat cabin. The cabin features a steering wheel, control panel, and windows showing water outside. Woman holds child inside a boat. Passengers sit and stand around her.
Whereas on a tour bus, it's getting to where you're going. But the destination is the River Shannon.
Children sit on a boat with patterned seats. One child wears a pink bucket hat. Another wears a captain's hat. A woman holds a baby wearing green socks on her lap inside a boat. A man sits nearby, looking out the window. A girl wears a captain's hat and operates the controls of a boat. A man stands nearby observing. Silverline Tours logo with stylized horizontal lines. Text reads, Silverline Tours. Brought to you by Just Transition Fund EU.